This video is working with basic documents. It'll be open, close, file, save as, save, and showing you how to generally open them. Now when you first start Word and it opens up like it is, notice up here you've got document 1. Now if I close that document 1, it'll go document 2, document 3, document 4, and so on and so forth. And then when I close Word and reopen Word, it'll go back to document 1. But this is a brand new document. Now basically what you've got to understand, to close a document, there's various ways you can do it. You can go to File and Close. That will also close it. You can click up on here and close that. Now if you close this, this will close the document and the application window. Just let me show you what I'm trying to explain. At the moment you've got the Word application open, and you've got a document 1. Now if I do Control W, notice the document 1 has disappeared, but Microsoft Word is still open, because you've got effectively a window in a window. If I do Control New, N for new, notice now we've got the Word and the document to open. Now the difference, and the major difference, is if I close the document on this button, it will close. It will ask me first if I want to save, because I've just done some work on it. But when I close this one, notice I'll say I don't want to save. It closes the actual application window as well. So just be a little bit careful with that. What I tend to do is, if I want to close the document, I use Control W, and that closes the document, not the actual application window as well. So it leaves the window open, basically, the application window open. Now when you're creating a new document, you just literally, you can either just open Word, document 1. Now let's imagine that's gone, so that's disappeared. And then the new document, now Control N for new would give you a brand new document. Control N, that gives you document 2. Okay. Now the other ways of doing it, we could go down here to File and New. Now here you can open a blank document, you can open a blog post, recent templates that you've had open, sample templates, my templates if your company's got templates or you've got templates set up, or from an existing template. Yeah, down here you can do the Office templates from the Microsoft Office, so you can do calendars, certificates, charts, and so on and so forth. Yeah, very good, they're all really good, but it's having a little play with them basically. I'm just going to say a blank document, so I'll just double click on that. There you go, blank document. Notice document 3. Now when you type your data into it, okay, and you just type a little bit of data in, notice now we need to save it, because it hasn't got a document hasn't got a name, so we need to save it with a name. Now you have to go to File, Save As. Now when it comes up with Save As, now all you have to do is find the location that you want to put the actual document in. Now I'm just going to put mine on my desktop in my Office 2010, and then the Word documents. Okay, now in here I'll just call this Save Test. Yeah, so Save Test. Now I'll just say save, and then that goes down and that saves. Now if I close this document, File and Close, that's it. Now it's gone, but it hasn't gone off the hard drive. When I want to open that document, I click on this little button here in the Quick Access toolbar, or I go to File and Open, depending which one I want to go. It doesn't matter which way I go through it, look, they both work. Now you go to your Word, your desktop, Office 10, Word 2010, and you find your Save Test. You double click it, notice that document's open. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to just do a little bit of changing the text. So I'm just going to change these colours of the text so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now what we're going to do in 1 second, we're going to show you the difference there. Now what is the difference between save and save as? Now save overwrites the changes. So if I was now to go to file save, it would overwrite the original document and keep this copy that I've got open as it is. So you wouldn't see the original document, you would just see this new changes. If I go to file save as, what this will do, this will keep the original document save test, and it will keep this copy also. Right, so we'll just say, now then, what happens is now I will close this document, file, close. If I go now to file open, I'm just going to click on that. Notice now we've got the two documents. We've got the save test, which was the original document, yeah, and we've also got the save test colour, which is in there. Now if you just go there, just so I can show you, yeah, you see them? Save test. Now if I just put them so I can try and show you what I'm talking about, we'll put that one there. And that one there, yeah, just so you can see them on the screen. So basically the first save I did, I give it a file name called save test. There is the document. Then I made the changes, went to file save as, and notice I kept that copy as well. A fantastic way of working within the Word. You know, sometimes you want to change the actual document's appearance a little bit but keep the original as well. That's when you would want to use the save as rather than the save. Now if you wanted, I'll just get rid of that one for now, we'll close that one down. If you wanted to add a picture into this, so I'm just going to stick a little picture in here somewhere, it doesn't really matter where. Insert. Don't worry about the actual picture I'm sticking in, that's just purely for the joy of this. Now what I'm going to do here, just to show you, okay, I want to say that I want to keep this picture, yeah, there's that. I want to just stick that in the middle, yeah, there we go. To just take it down a little bit more, just so you can. Now what we want to do, we want to keep this document, okay, yeah, that's it. We want to keep this document looking exactly as it is, but I don't want to keep just the colours, I just want to save the changes. All I do on this one is I just hit that button there which is save, or I do Control S for save, or I just go to file and save. Now what happens here, this now is the new colour document. I've just overwrote the original 3 and it's just got the picture added to it as well. So when we close that down, Control W or file close, and you go to the open dialog box, notice that I've got the save colour. When I open it, it'll have the picture in it because I saved the changes. Is that okay? Now then, this is only the basic stuff that you need to know, and that's fine. Now what we're going to do here, some people will say to you, oh, open me a new file. Okay, you can't open a new file, you've got to create a new file. So what you do is you go to file and new, like we've already done. You say whatever template you want, and that is creating a new file. You would type your name, you know, so just let's say we'll say Dave, test will be fine, and then you go to file, save as. There you go, you're about to create a new document. Yeah, is that okay? Now if you want to open an existing file, it's just literally file open, or you click on that box. I'll just say open for now. Or you could do Control O for open, and that will open the dialog box as well. And then you open up the document, it's in there. That's it for today. I'll just go to file close for you on that one. Oh no, I'll show you this one. Don't forget, if you close this one, it closes the application as well. Okay, and that just shuts it down.